Radha D. Today we're going to be making a butterfly like this. You're going to need 2 pieces of colors of construction papers, but it needs to be color. I'm using green and purple. First you need it for the paper like this. Yellow. Other. Like my butterfly, you have to spread it up. And spread this up and hold it in the middle. And tie it around and around with the bottle wire. And then finally put it inside when you're done with the rear edge. Draw the body of the butterfly with a pencil. Then cut the body of the butterfly out of the paper. Some nice eyes and then some eyelashes. Did my butterfly look beautiful? My butterfly is happy, you can tell. Then stick it on the wings. That's the exciting part. Now we're making the antenna of the butterfly. We have to wrap it around with the paintbrush and then stick it on top of the butterfly. Attach my butterfly to a paintbrush. That's why it can fly. Look, now it can fly. And now when I see other butterflies, I'm going to put it outside, and then the butterflies are going to follow my butterfly. You can do that if you see a butterfly. Use a Sharpie, and the butterfly looks evil. Draw some white dots on the eyes. That's why it doesn't look so evil then.